5 best features. Unique fashion-forward design. The Air Force on Fontanka gives the classic A-Fun a modern twist with layered panels, exaggerated midsoles, and the signature soft React cassette tape insert in the heel. It stands out without being overly flashy. More comfortable than the classic Air Force one. Unlike the regular Air Force one, the Fontanka features React foam cushioning, making it noticeably softer underfoot. It's more comfortable for long shopping trips, casual outings, or all-day wear. Premium material quality. Most Fontanka colorways use a mix of smooth leather, suede, and synthetic overlays, giving the shoe a premium look and better texture than many standard lifestyle sneakers. Great for everyday styling. The chunky silhouette pairs well with jeans, joggers, oversized outfits, and streetwear. It's especially popular among people looking for a stylish sneaker that works with casual fashion. Durable build. Like the original Air Force one, the Fontanka has a sturdy construction with thick rubber soles and quality stitching, making it capable of handling daily wear for a long time. Oh no! Top 3 drawbacks. Chunky design isn't for everyone. The oversized sole and layered upper give the shoe a bold appearance. If you prefer clean, minimal sneakers, the Fontanka may feel too bulky. Slightly heavier than standard sneakers, the thicker midsole and additional materials make the shoe feel a bit heavier than lightweight casual sneakers, especially during extended walking. Harder to keep clean. Many versions feature white leather and layered details that easily collect dirt and scuff marks. Regular cleaning is needed to keep them looking fresh.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.